Hello and welcome to Falmouth Road, arguably one of the most picturesque streets here in the city of Truro. I'm James from Fine and Country, Midwest Cornwall, and today I'm showing you around a beautiful Victorian home that perfectly blends original period features and refined modern living. Welcome to St John's House. This property has undergone an extensive renovation by our clients during their ownership, who have painstakingly restored every square inch of this home, from the original mosaic tiling to ceiling roses and cornices to a number of open fires. This Grade 2 listed former vicarage provides just under 5,000 square feet of accommodation, comprising 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms and 3 reception rooms, which means that this grand house offers spacious and flexible living throughout. Of the 3 reception rooms in this wonderful Victorian home, the favourite for me has to be this grand formal dining room. It's awash with classic appointments of the Victorian era, such as these ornate radiators, classic high ceilings, and this feature bay window which just floods the room with light. Taking centre stage in the dining room is one of the many fireplaces that our clients have rescued and lovingly restored during their ownership. This is undoubtedly the heart of the home here at St John's House. As you can see, it's an impressive open plan kitchen dining room, fitted with a state-of-the-art contemporary kitchen, vaulted ceilings, and a clever use of glass and lantern skylights that just flood it with natural light. To the end of the kitchen are bifold doors that open up into the garden, which truly make this a wonderful part of the home, particularly in those summer months. Externally, the property benefits from generous parking to the front elevation with a garage and further parking to the rear. The gardens are a wonderful asset here at St John's House, with this lovely open patio and steps leading up to the mature garden. The garden features gently sloping lawn, mature trees, manicured beds, and a wonderful amount of light. To have this much parking and this much garden in central Truro is an exceptionally rare find. The master bedroom is located on the first floor and features a spacious double room that is bathed in natural light thanks to this wonderful bay window. There are Victorian appointments adorning this room, such as the feature radiators, and it's in keeping with the rest of the property's grand design. Continuing through here, you enter into the walk-in dressing room. This is a wonderful feature and provides ample storage and wardrobe space. Continuing from this lovely dressing room, you enter into one of the main features of this master suite, which is undoubtedly this glorious, fully fitted master bathroom. This bathroom features his and hers sinks, a large walk-in shower, and the standout feature is that gorgeous freestanding bath. Thank you so much for joining me today here on Falmouth Road at this wonderful Victorian home. It's positioned on arguably one of the most picturesque addresses here in the city of Truro, close to the cathedral and a number of schools. This is a wonderful opportunity to purchase a historic Truro home that has been finished to an impeccable level. For any further information or to arrange a viewing, please don't hesitate to give me a call.